Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join a group or community in Roblox. So first, let's open the Roblox. So here, we are now in the Roblox page. Then all you need to do is browse in this left corner and click communities. Then, in this section, groups and communities are displayed here. And if you want to join, just click their icon. Just choose a group you want to join. And I'll just choose this double bandit here. And yeah, so this is the homepage of the group. You can scroll down to check more details, like members, events, and more. Here in the wall, you can post a comment here, and everyone in the group can see it. Scroll down to see a recent post. You can also check the store, where members sell their items. And overall, that's it. It's easy to join. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.